If you are currently running Facebook ads, here are a couple of reasons why they're probably not performing maybe as much as you like or even at all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this where I go over Facebook ads, tutorials, scaling strategies, and ultimately making more money with your paid ad campaigns. So let's get right into today's video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So if your ads are not currently performing, I always break it down into 4 key parts. And I know it kind of sucks to erase the board and start over and start from scratch, but you really have to break down the sales process in this manner. Okay, and the 4 parts are great, and the 4th part might not be as relatable to you right now, but this is always how I evaluate any business. And number 1 is your offer. Your ads need to portray what the offer is. Your ad copy has to portray what the offer is. Your interests need to be targeting who your offer is best suited for. What does this offer solve? And what kind of deal are you willing to give me? So buy one, get one 50% off, up to 42% off store-wide, plus free expedited shipping. Buy 2 or more, get free express shipping. Buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 2, get 3 free. Like, you need to think about the most instantly gratified buying situation for your ideal buyer. So for me, I do up to 42% off store-wide plus free express shipping, and this works very well because of that discount. That discount has specificity. That discount is better than most stores out there that are doing hair growth oil. Also, people like the free shipping. People hate going to a store, going to the checkout, and having to pay for shipping. They hate that. Yes, I've tried running like a $3 shipping thing where it's a supplemental fee to help pay for shipping, but the conversion rates do drop and it doesn't really help my AOV as much. So you need to think about what your overall offer is. What are you willing to give people to intensify them, right? I have a client right now who's running a buy one, get one on a mid-ticket product that's around $60 to $125. And it's doing very well because people are like, oh, well, I can get one for this price, but they're gonna give me a free one as well. And also they're getting free shipping. The other thing about your offer is, do you structure payment options, payment plans where they can use Klarna, Afterpay, QuadPay? Maybe you have a firm or you have a business funding, JV partner that you have where you can get your clients on a high ticket basis payment options to pay over time. You need to think about the least friction possible for your buyer to become a buyer. That's the whole point of sales, is making things more streamlined so a buyer can come from being a warm lead to a hungry, excited buyer. That's the whole point of this actual sales process. Second piece is your landing page. Is my offer being portrayed on the landing page? The first part of any landing page is always my offer. Get this percentage off plus for shipping, maybe some news badges of news articles you've had, some X amount of stars out of 5 and then X amount of reviews, right? You want to get them excited about social proof and your offer. Then you go into your copy, and copy is very important on a landing page. It's the words that you write or personify that sell, okay? And being able to write words that sell, that get people from being a cold visitor to being a hungry buyer, is a very unhoned skill set in today's marketing world. It's hard to find people who are good at writing copy, and when you do find people who are very good at it, it is not a cheap cost. I know people like Stephen Georgi and other people in that space, Justin Goff, who are very big copywriters who run a mastermind, and they're charging $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 for a sales page. That Shopify page that I showed you guys in my 0 to 1 mil challenge for my hair growth oil, they would charge $50,000 to $100,000 for that exact same page. So having a good copywriter is going to be very, pivotal for you to increase your conversion rates and help your offer be even more personified to increase those conversion rates from ad to landing page. The third piece are your ads then. Okay, so you probably might be wondering, why are ads third? Because if you don't have a good offer, you don't have a good landing page that converts people, it doesn't matter how many ads you run or how much traffic you send, these 2 pieces in the beginning will not help you convert more people. Then we get into ads. And ads is where you have to have curiosity, congruency, and urgency. Those are my 3 biggest pieces of any ad. Also, the 4th is UGC, user-generated content, using social proof to your advantage to sell more at that urgency, at the offer, with the right copy, and it has to have that urgency of an enticing, irresistible offer in it. And also the UGC is just social proof within a video. Someone holding your product, someone talking about your service, somebody literally reiterating your offer, your guarantee, your exact same enticing copy or irresistible offer in the video while explaining the benefits of the product. That hammers home people. And when I look at ads, I look at top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. Top of funnel is all the cold traffic, all the people coming through at the top of this funnel. And then I look at middle of funnel. Middle of funnel is where, we have, people who are taking some sort of action, on the ads, video views, website visits, ad engagers, comments, they've liked your Facebook page, they're an Instagram follower, they've direct messaged you. Then we have bottom of funnel, which is people who've purchased, people who've made a purchase intent, add to carts, initiate checkouts, add payment info, and buyers. Because we can also take current buyers and sell them more shit. So that's how I kind of look at ads, being able to structure my content in a way that speaks to top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. And then the fourth key part, which isn't really relatable to this video, but can help you understand, is the back end of the business, right? Getting more people in your ecosystem, being able to solve the first three parts, your offer, landing page, and ads, will get more people in your ecosystem who you can then send more emails to, SMS, maybe have a call center, call them and sell them more. Have another product ladder or ascension for them to go into. Being able to make more money off your current buyers. So I hope this video kind of broke things down on why your ads aren't currently working. Make sure that you go through this video a couple times and kind of just get a notepad out. Reiterate your offer. Think about things that people want so that your ads do start converting. Now, if we're on the lead gen based side, I know I talked a lot about e-com, but whenever I talk about lead gen or high ticket based offers, think about guarantees. Like for example, if I just said to you, hey, I'm gonna run your ads, but then I said to you, hey, listen, I'll get you results in 7 days or your money back, guaranteed, no questions asked. That's a sexier offer. Think about how you speak to your customer, how you give them least amount of friction possible. So think about those things and comment down below if you want me to critique your offer or give you some advice. Just comment down below, and also subscribe for more videos daily just like this. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.